Hi guys, welcome back. Oh my god, I did the dumbest thing. Well, first of all, free pencils. Yep. And you'll just have to wait because I'm going to tell you a story because I'm dying here. So the other day, I was up really late and I took my husband's laptop into bed and I wanted to just do some pencil searching on Amazon. I wasn't going to do much and I was going to go to sleep, wind down the day. And I said, you know what? I haven't done a foot peel in a long time now. If you don't know what that is, they're like heaven when they're done good, but I've learned my lesson. It's called Baby Feet. And I didn't use the Baby Feet brand, which is like the best brand. I bought an off brand being cheap. And I was like, if I'm gonna just sit here, you put these little booties on and it puts like this peel stuff on your feet and you wear them for an hour, you take them off, you wash your feet, and in 4 to 5 days, it's like kind of like a sunburn, but it doesn't hurt. And it just peels. And when you peel, your feet are like baby soft. And I love it. I've been doing it for 5 years now. And I never have a problem. I never react to it or anything like that. I always do it, and then I have nice feet. Well, I put the booties on, and I bought a different brand. And this brand was supposed to be milder. And it had a really better smell it wasn't as chemically as the Baby Feet. I really liked it. It's an apple peel, something to do with apples. And this one was lavender, and I love the scent of lavender. It makes me relax. I take lavender into my bath, and I take lavender, oil baths. So I was like, I'm going to have a really, nice night. I'm going to, morning, day. I stay up all day. So I was going to have like this really nice experience, and I'm going to shop. Well, let me tell you, if you get into bed and you're tired, I fell asleep. Next thing I knew, I woke up with my head in the laptop and the booties were still on my feet. Now, you're supposed to wear them for an hour. I left them on my feet for 6 hours. Oh my God. So I got up, I washed my feet off, I put some cream on it, and they didn't hurt or anything like that. And I went through the day, and then I completely even forgot about it. I was like, nothing happened, and I was fine. And I got on the phone with my friend, Christopher, at night, and I was like, I just relayed the story to him. I was like, yeah, I'm okay, but, I did something stupid today, and I left these things on my feet. Well, no sooner did I get off the phone with him that I got this intense burning on my feet. I was like, oh my God. And I went in the house and I took off my shoes. And there were like these red blisters all over my feet. And they were tiny, really teeny tiny blisters. And I was like, oh my God, what did I do? And I went into my craft room, and I have like a drawer in there, and I keep like hand cream and my nail polish and stuff, just stuff that normally goes into a bathroom, but I want it handy next to my desk, especially like my hand cream. And I went and I dug out what I thought was going to be this healthy feet. And this is like it's like a foot, it makes your feet really soft. And it's been a long time since I've used it, and I didn't even like think, and I just remembered that it was in this type of container. But no, I didn't look close enough. And what I took out was this Foot Fix glycolic acid peel. So on top of my 6-hour peel, I rubbed this into my feet. No sooner did I get this on, Oh my God. Oh, like, I feel like so stupid. Like the girl who put the Gorilla Glue in her hair. Like, really stupid. So it's now like 4 days and they still intensely burn. If it lasts another day or two, I'll go to the doctor. But oh my God, talk about stupid things. Oh, you're waiting for the pencils. I got it. Yeah, okay. Well, I'm not going to make you wait too much longer. I'm probably the last one to know this because I remember getting this a long time ago. Have you ever used Inktense? And obviously, I've got my Inktense here. Uh, if you've never used Inktense, they're really cool pencils. And they're different than watercolor. It's actual ink. And I'm just going to do a really quick demo because it's kind of cool when these are a little bit like cooler than watercolor. And I'm going to just do a black and I'll do a green so that you can see what happens to it. And let's get a red going. I did a bad review on Derwent the other day, and that's why I'm really happy I'm able to bring something positive for that company, because really, the Academy pencils sucked. I mean, they just did. They were just so cheap and garbage-like, and I was really surprised. I thought I had like a trifecta of good material to bring you, and I really liked the Prismacolor Scholars, and I really liked the ones from Faber-Castell. So I thought I was going to bring you like a trifecta. I even had like a title in my head, for the positive three. So I was very disappointed in Derwent. But their products are really very good. And watch what happens. So you have like these colors, and these colors are pretty intense as it is. Look at this color. I'm only using one Q-tip. Well, maybe I will use two sides. Now, these aren't watercolors. Although they kind of like react like a watercolor, they're an ink. Once they set, once I do this once, remember, they're set into the paper. You can't erase. You can't do anything except live with it. But when they dry, they do accept color on top. So these are a professional set, and I know I've been doing a lot of budget sets, but this is where the freebie pencil comes in. I had gotten this a long time ago. I bought some, like a gift pack from Brush and Pencil, and it came with all sorts of products in it. And I guess the Brush and Pencil people started throwing in samples, and they sent me a whole bunch of samples, and I remember them being from the Derwent company, two of them from the Derwent, and I got one of these, and this is the Inktense, and I also got a Luminesse. So the other day, I forgot to mention this in the other video. When I went onto the Derwent site to get like a history and to learn some information, I'm probably the last person, like everybody else knows except for me. If you go to derwentart.com, DERWENT art.com, if you look on the top where shop now, gifts, inspiration, they have an about, a blog, a newsletter, you get free sample. And when you click on the free sample, you can choose between getting a free sample of the Inktense or a free sample of and you get a 15% discount on anything you order too. Okay, you get a light fast pencil, and you get or you get an Inktense sample, and they come on like these cards, but it's like a real pencil on it, and it's just like kind of glued onto the pencil or adhered to the card. So you do have to sign up for the newsletter, but that's not a bad thing because I like newsletters from pencil companies. Anytime anybody wants me to sign up for their newsletter on pencil info, that's good. So you get to stay up with all the news on Derwent, and you get your free pencil. And it's definitely a full-size pencil, just like you would have bought in the kit. I think I got a blue and I think a yellow, the light fast yellow. But I think I got the other one. I don't remember getting light fast. Why am I keep thinking I got a luminesce unless it's from, I got a whole bunch. I mean, she sent me a whole bunch of samples of lots of products. So, okay, so that's my news for the day. And I will see you guys on Monday. Take care. Bye-bye.